Welcome to Arts and Draftings. For this video, I'll be presenting to you the Glacier Express in Switzerland. First thing to do is to sketch the main elements that you want to incorporate in your painting. This will serve as your guide to do a more precise and proportionate drawing or outcome of it. And if you're done sketching or outlining, you can now start to apply the first coat. And always remember to start in your background, then go into your foreground. It will allow you to achieve a clear termination or division of every object in different distance. And if you want to try and redo this presentation, I'll be flashing the color designation in the screen for your guide. Stay tuned and enjoy watching. And one thing to do in rendering, always consider your light source because this will allow you to determine on where to put the highlights and shades and shadows. And in blending the colors I applied for the mountains, I used cotton buds to achieve a slightly rough textured and sloping direction. And if you want to blend the colors with a smooth textured surface, you can use your fingers or tissue. And for the pine trees, I just applied stippling method. Then put some shades and shadows for the mountains using black pastel. And another technique in applying pastel, to achieve a straight and clean edge, you can use a paper and put it on the edge when rubbing it. And for the smaller details, I just use a P pencil to draw it. And then for the highlights, you can also use white ink to emphasize it more. I also use toothpick to scrub and draw it over and provide additional effects on your painting. Then finalize your work and you're almost done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the post notification button to be updated for upcoming videos. Again, this is Arts and Draftings by Denzel. See you again to my next video. Have fun and enjoy.